Howdy, y'all. It's time for another one of my silly little videos where I ramble on in monotonous apathy about something that I'm making, and I hope y'all like and maybe learn something or at least give me some of the attention I never received as a child. But whatever the true cause is, I'm sure we're going to have fun, and I can guarantee I'm going to say and a lot as I stumble through my words as I usually do. So I've got still working some of my prize stash of birch burl, but I've also got a bunch of maple utapelicanker in this batch. The utapella, most people would call it a burl, but it's structured slightly different. And I just like saying utapella. So what are you going to do? The color of it, though, I think lends nicely to copper. So this batch, I'm blending some copper in with a turquoise tealy color. This particular one's going to come out probably a little heavy on the copper with turquoisey highlights. Made another batch after this that was the inverse of that, heavy on the turquoise, light on the copper accents, with the same tones of wood, and they came out real pretty well, really pretty too. But I really don't have the time and patience to record every single thing that I do, as I tend to do a million different things at once. But I want to get good color separation on this particular batch, so you saw me checking temperatures. I hold off on pouring till the resins hit around 105 degrees. That seems to be the magic point for Lumilite slow clear, which is what this resin is. Doesn't give you a whole lot of time to get the thing in a pressure pot after you pour, so you kind of got to hurry. But this is what they look like. You'll see things made out of them soon. Thanks.